Good day. This instructional video will guide you on shop drawing submittal using the Unifier. But before we begin, let's have a quick overview of the shop drawing submittal workflow. Shop drawing submittal workflow begins with the document controller of UBTJV, who completes the paper copy of the shop drawing submittal form and put together the shop drawings to be submitted. Then he logs into the Unifier and creates a submittal record by entering the required details for the submission. He will also need to upload the electronic copy of the shop drawings to be submitted and the electronic copy of the submittal form in the Unifier. Then the senior document controller will review and check if the submission is correct. If it is correct, then he will submit it to the document controller of DAR. DAR document controller will check again the submittal and accept if the enclosures are complete and correct. If it's complete and correct, then he can forward the submission for review to the users of DAR and WSP. The reviewers can view or download the shop drawing and input their comments in the Unifier. These comments will be forwarded to DAR resident engineer, who will then input his final comments for the drawing. Then it will go to the document controller of DAR, who will print the drawings with the annotations and comments and obtain the physical signature of DAR resident engineer and project director. Then he will upload the revised drawing and comment sheet and submittal form in the Unifier and update the line status of each drawing. It can be code 1, code 2, code 3, or code 4. Then he will send it to UBTJV document controller. UBTJV document controller will receive the response from DAR and allocate for internal distribution the received response. The received response will then be reviewed by the project director and technical and engineering team, and if it's code 3, then it will be subject for resubmission. Begin by opening your browser, and it is recommended to use Google Chrome for Unifier. Then enter the URL address, your username, your password, and then click Sign In. Make sure that this button, beside the notification button, is blue. If it's gray, you have to click it once and then close. And this will enable the new user interface for Unifier. Then, check the user banner which is found beside the home button. Check if the project is visible. If not, you have to click the plus sign and then click for the project. The project is the same as the package or contract number of the project. But on this video tutorial, we're going to use the test system. After the resident engineer of DAR completed his final review of the shop drawing, he will forward this to DAR DC, who will obtain the signature of the resident engineer and project director of DAR on the comment sheet and on the shop drawing if code 1 or code 2 is the status. Then he will upload this in the Unifier, and to do that, he needs to log into his Unifier account. And in the navigation tree, he needs to click the Task Manager folder, the subfolder Tasks, and select the shop drawing. Double-click to open the submittal. Then he needs to click accept, accepting the task, meaning. Then click on the drawing tab. Here, he has the option to upload a comment sheet, or if the comment sheet is already in the system, he just needs to revise it by clicking here, click attachment, and click the gear button, wherein he can revise the comment sheet clicking this item. Okay, the gear button again, click to browse where the document is. For example, this is the revised or updated or final comment sheet. Click, then open, then upload. Now the comment sheet, the updated comment sheet is now in the system. Also, if he needs to update each of the drawings with the signature of the project director, again, the gear button, revise, again, the gear button, browse, and this is T008. Click upload. Now it's been changed. Also, the document controller needs to update the line item status of each of the drawing. Like for instance, for this drawing, he needs, for example, this is code 2. Click save. Go to the next one, code 2, save. For example, here, this is code 1, save. And here, code 2, save. Okay. Once everything is complete, he now can click send and send it to the document controller of UBTJV for the response. So look for the name. Let's just click the administrator. Okay, click the arrow, select, and then send.